wicked addiction, but it's not bad. Don't look down on us, and don't be sad. We like to hunt in the spring and hunt in the fall. We hunt with our family and we would hunt with y'all. It's a wicked addiction. We hunt on the water, we hunt in the snow. We have a good time wherever we go. We hunt with a bow, we hunt with a gun. We never go when we don't have fun. It's a wicked addiction, yeah. Wicked addiction, that's our name. We don't hunt for the glory, we don't hunt for the fame. We hunt because of what's inside. It's a wicked addiction that we don't hide. Yeah, it's a wicked addiction. Gators, turkeys, deer, duck. We like to hunt, we don't depend on luck. We prepare, we look, we search and scout. Get our prey and there ain't no doubt. It's a wicked addiction. It's a wicked addiction.
Alright guys, hey, Wicked Addiction Outdoors here, and we've got another video ready for you. And this one here, we think is going to be fun. It's a little different, so it's not one that you see every day. It's some kayak fishing, bass fishing, that our buddy John Gore from West Kentucky Drone Services, he sent us the footage in. And we sponsored John's kayak, and he entered it into a Tourney X bass fishing tournament for kayaks and stuff. And John, that was his first time doing it, and wasn't sure how how easy it was going to be to get the footage and stuff in the kayak, and trying to run a camera and do all that stuff. But I think John did a pretty good job for his first time out doing it, and we hope y'all like it. And John didn't finish where he would have liked to in this tournament, but hey, that's okay, we don't care. It's all about having fun and making memories and stuff. And so anyway, we just want to share this with you. And as always, y'all are the reason that we do it. We always say that, said it from the very beginning. And y'all been killing it with the views and stuff. Our numbers are really growing, and we're getting more and more people joining in and having fun with us on this stuff. And I just love seeing that, seeing the new people, you know, coming aboard and stuff. So anyway, we hope you enjoy this, and we encourage you that if you're out doing something like this, what John's doing, you know, send us your footage in. And I do want to say, you know, we've got a lot of eyes on this, so make sure, excuse me, make sure that you cross your T's and dot your I's, and everything's on the up and up, legal. You know, make sure you got your fishing license, hunting license, whatever the case may be, and follow the rules so we don't get nobody in trouble or anything like that. And but we're just trying to have some fun with this, and I like the saying that we're just friends hunting with friends and fishing, and sharing it with our friends, which is y'all. And so anyway, here's the video, and we hope y'all keep watching and sharing and supporting us with this, and maybe we can just keep growing those views. So here you go. See a little kayak fish and see what John does today.
Hey guys, headed out to the lake, do a little scouting trip before we fish our tournament tomorrow. We're gonna go around the lake with our down imaging and try to figure out where the fish are holding at, what depth, and if they're holding on to any structure. See if we can find anything to get on in the morning. We're about 10 minutes away from the lake, and we ran into our first issue of the day. We've been sitting here for about 10 minutes now, and we've got about another 10-minute drive to get to the lake. We're trying to beat dark, so hopefully we'll make it. That's how it goes sometimes. Wicked Addiction Outdoors. Alright y'all, we made it out here. Gotta paddle around, do some graphing, finding some bait balls on the fish finder already. So that's what we're looking for. That big blob is a school of bait fish. There's some more coming into view. Usually where those are, there'll be bass somewhere close. Alright guys, we're making a move. We started off in a larger pit out here and just had a ton of traffic in it today. Talked to a few guys at the ramp. They were talking about how pressured that lake gets. So we're gonna make a move, and after talking to some of the guys, we're gonna go to something that doesn't get pressured as much. They said there's still some pretty good fish in it, so we're gonna go give it a shot, see what we can do. We're going into this one completely blind, so hopefully we'll get on them. All right guys, we moved again. We're trying to get away from the pressure. This place has a lot of traffic on it, just the whole WMA does. And so we found an out of the way spot. The only downfall to this area is we have to take the kayak down to the water that way. We're at another lake. This one does not have a road to it or ramp. There's the truck way up there. One of the great things about kayaks is you can have access to places that you normally wouldn't have. tournament's over. Lines out was at 115. It's 122. We did not do nearly as well as we were hoping. We are in dead last. I couldn't get on the fish today. We came to this pit, very last thing, and finally got 3 on the board, but they were small. So they've got another tournament coming up in September. We're going to come back now that we know the area a little better, know which lakes to concentrate on, and hopefully we'll do better on the next one. But hey, it's just the way it goes. Sometimes it's still a blast.
Okay, guys, as you can see, Wicked Addiction Outdoors, we sponsored our buddy John Gore from West Kentucky Drone Services in this Tourney X kayak bass fishing tournament. And John got out in the video and done a little pre-fishing ahead of time, trying to see how the video part of it was going to work, you know, to try to get y'all as good a footage as he could. I'd say it's kind of hard to try to video and get around in that kayak without flipping that thing over. I know I'd probably sink if it was me trying to do it, but looks like John done a pretty good job. He was pretty crowded up the way he talked on that lake. He got there a little bit later than he intended on account of the train situation, but anyway, he still caught a few fish, and even though he probably didn't finish where he wanted to finish, he still had a good time, looks like, and he caught a few fish and got us some good footage to share with you guys. It's not always about winning, you know, that trophy or whatever. It's which you always want to win, don't get me wrong. I'm very competitive myself, but sometimes it's just about making those memories and enjoying yourself, and doing that kayak fishing. I've never done it. It looks like it'd be fun. So we thought y'all would enjoy seeing this, and we appreciate John getting out there and getting in that tournament and getting y'all some good footage to share with you. So going to have another one coming up, I think, in September, and we're hoping John does a little bit better place on that one, and we can get you some more footage to share with you on that one as well. So thank y'all for watching Wicked Addiction. All right, guys, hey, that's the end of the video. Looks like John had a pretty good time. Caught a few fish, and we also added some pictures from a few times he'd been out in it before, you know, practicing and stuff for this tournament. So as you can see in those pics, you know, he did catch some pretty good bass. It just didn't catch him on the day of the tournament, unfortunately, but he still had fun. He still made memories, and we hope y'all enjoyed it. That's what it's all about. And we'll have some more videos coming up for y'all a little bit later on, and I think we're going to have some drag racing as soon as I can get that put together. Me and Scrappers got to get together on that. We both got footage from it, and we're going to have some another blooper reel coming up, and some more, you know, thanking some of our watchers. And I think we're going to have another unique one I think y'all will really like. One of our other friends sent to us. We're going to have some bow fishing for stingrays, and some more gator hunt coming up a little bit later. A little bit of everything, anything outdoors. We're trying to get it for y'all and trying to share it with y'all, and we hope that y'all like it. We're working hard for you, and it's paying off. Seems like the numbers, like I said, are really growing. The views are really growing, and we're getting more and more people joining in with us and having fun with this. So we thank y'all for that. So anyway, stay tuned for the next video coming up later on for Wicked Addiction Outdoors. Thank y'all. Appreciate you.
It's a wicked addiction, but it's not bad. Don't look down on us, and don't be sad. We like to hunt in the spring and hunt in the fall. We hunt with our family and we would hunt with y'all. It's a wicked addiction. We hunt on the water, we hunt in the snow. We have a good time wherever we go. We hunt with a bow, we hunt with a gun. We never go when we don't have fun. It's a wicked addiction, yeah. Wicked addiction, that's our name. We don't hunt for the glory, we don't hunt for the fame. We hunt because of what's inside. It's a wicked addiction that we don't hide. Yeah, it's a wicked addiction. Gators, turkeys, deer, duck. We like to hunt, we don't depend on luck. We prepare, we look, we search and scout. Get our prey and there ain't no doubt. It's a wicked addiction. It's a wicked addiction.